At AUAS, we enjoy helping to make the world a bit more digital. Applied research is one of the ways we do this. For example, how can digital techniques and solutions assist in the management and maintenance of roads, buildings, and city streets? Burzo Ali is an HBO ICT student taking the data science minor at AUAS. Andrei Kapitein owns Sonarski, a digital application startup. Jurjen Helmus is lead researcher of smart industry at AUAS. Their research involves using a 3D laser technique to conduct a daily scan of a city district in Amsterdam. By comparing the 3D scans from 2 different days, they can identify places in need of maintenance or repair. They can even spot a single broken lamppost. This is a major step forward in the smart management of roads, buildings, and city streets. Digitalization, we're working together on solutions for tomorrow.